Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a style haul. I did get some new pieces from SHEin. They were kind enough to send me over a bunch of pieces that I absolutely love and wanted to share with you guys. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, then you've already seen a few of these pieces. I did feature them on a green haul. I love the color of green. It just brings me so much life and peace and energy when I wear it. So I wear green a lot, and this haul does feature a lot of green pieces. So if you want to check out what I received from SHEin, then definitely keep on watching. All right, before we jump right in, I need y'all to do one thing for me. Just hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. I have so much new content coming out for you guys. I'm super excited. My channel is like really growing, and I'm just excited to see what is on the horizon for the channel. I feel like I'm going to broaden out more from just hair into clothing, into style hauls, styling videos, and just more and more interesting things, potentially vlogs. I'm doing more mukbangs as well. So much is coming, and I don't want you guys to miss out, so make sure you subscribe. All right, so let's start with one of the first pieces. So this piece right here is a floral jumper. I don't know why it's so turned inside out. So this piece right here is a floral jumper. It's super cute. This jumper has a really beautiful paisley print pattern. It's open in the front with a plunging neckline, and it's open in the back. It's not too short, but it is definitely a cropped length. If you're not too keen on short shorts, this one might not be the one for you. I did get this one in a size medium. I'm a size medium on SHEin. Everything I purchased from them is a size medium, and I'm pretty much a medium everywhere across the board. So I really loved this jumper. I'll leave links down below to all the pieces. I'll leave links, sizes, and pricing, so you guys have all that information. So the next piece I'm going to show you guys is this wraparound crop top. This crop top is super cute. It's a really bold shade of fuchsia. Really beautiful. It has statement arms. It has like the balloon arms, and it has this elastic. I love when tops have this elastic on the sleeve because it allows me to adjust the sleeve up and down, which I really love. This does have super duper long strings so that you can wrap this around a bunch of times. Now it's a lot of cleavage on this one, and it's a very short crop top. There was like some under boob action going on, so if you're timid about that, this one might not be the one for you. But I absolutely love this top. It's very much so a statement piece, and with a high waist bottom, it's super cute. Speaking of high waist bottoms, I wore these bottoms in the video. These are super high waisted, great for moms trying to cover up the fupa or stretch marks, or just don't want to show their belly or tummy. This is definitely going to cover, but super fashionable. These pants do have a lot going on. They're bell bottoms. They have the strings on the side, the fringe at the bottom of the butt. They have the fringe in the front. So these do have a lot going on, but they're definitely a statement piece, and they're super long. If you have long legs like me, you will appreciate a pair of jeans that are this long. They elongate your leg so much so that when you wear them with a high heel, they literally still come down to the floor. Your legs will look 1.5 miles long in these jeans, and that's what I love about SHEin jeans. They are just so long. If you're a tall girl and love to wear high heels but still want to have your jeans touching the floor, like, these are the ones for you. All the jeans that I got from SHEin did that for me, and I absolutely love them. Moving on to another pair of jeans. I actually didn't incorporate these into the haul. because these jeans are super dope. I did wear them twice. I was only able to wear them twice. So these jeans do have a clasp on the side. These jeans have clasp on the side to hold the jeans together, but then they're completely open on the side. So the only thing that's really holding these jeans together is these chains that have a clasp attached to them. Now, what happens when you buy these jeans in your exact size is that the clasp has way too much tension on it, and the clasp is not expensive material. So when you combine tension to sitting down, standing up, sitting down, standing up, the clasp actually do end up breaking. And so I had an outfit malfunction while I was out at the MGM casino having drinks with a friend, and I stood up and my pants were literally hanging like this because the clasps broke. So what I would say is to size up in these. So I will leave the size that I purchased below. Like I said, I'm a size medium. Unfortunately, you can't see these jeans on me. I will be purchasing these jeans again though, because these jeans are a statement piece. I mean, when I wore these to the casino, it was literally, I could not take 2 steps without somebody stopping me and asking me where I got these jeans from. Now, of course, I styled the jeans super cute with like my Steve Madden pumps and a really cute MCM bag and a top that is a part of this haul. I styled them with this really cute, barely there crop top. I styled them with this crop top. So cute, with the lace, spaghetti straps, and the chain in the back. This crop top with these jeans was literally giving everybody life at the casino. And I just got stopped so many times. I mean, people just love the look. So it's definitely a look, and I will be getting these jeans again, but I will definitely be sizing up. And what I will say is when you sit down, just unclasp the jeans. Like, just unclasp them when you're sitting, because adding that extra pressure while you're, you know, sitting down is just silly. Now, they do look great when you purchase them in your exact size. Not gonna hold you, they look amazing when you purchase them in your exact size, but I'm gonna be sizing up when I get them again. This little cute skirt here, it's like an orange skirt that ties on the side, and you can ruche it all the way up. So you can make it like a super ruche, or you can kind of like scroll it up or down and tie it off. Super cute. I'll leave video on the side of rocking this. Nice material, definitely not like see-through or anything like that. It's kind of like a stretch crepe material. I actually like how it looks. I like how the material looks, but I wasn't crazy about how it looked on me once I put this skirt on. So I wasn't super crazy about it, but I did end up getting it in this green shade, and for some reason I absolutely adored it in green. Now, oddly enough, it's made differently in the green shade. You can't scrunch it up or down. It just is where it is. You can't scrunch it. It's stitched together. So I did love it in green, but I tend to love everything that comes in green because I just love green. So I'll show you how I styled this. I ended up putting this skirt with a different top. This top actually came, this top and this skirt actually came as a set, but when I styled it, I wasn't crazy about this skirt. For some reason, I wasn't crazy like where this skirt was hitting on me. It's a maxi skirt, but I don't feel like it was just quite long enough to be a maxi. It was like somewhere in between midi and maxi, and for some reason I wasn't loving it. I did love the top though. So of this set, I ended up putting the top with this green skirt, and I absolutely adored the way that looked. Next piece is this side tie skirt. Now this skirt ended up being very cheaply made. I wasn't crazy about how this skirt was made. I feel like it's very see-through, it's very thin, and it's also difficult to wear because the split is so high. So for my taste, this was a bit much. Doubt I would wear this anywhere but maybe like a pool cover-up. I probably would wear this to the pool as a cover-up for sure. This dress, super cute. It's almost like a top and a skirt, but it is connected with these strings. This dress was very, very adorable. Absolutely love this. I would totally rock this with like maybe a blazer over top or something just to offset this skirt and this dress. Love the way it hit, definitely form-fitted, so cute, and the ribs are so ready for fall. Like I could see myself getting some wear out of this in the fall. Only thing that I was a little concerned about was the underboob action. So that's something to be concerned about, but outside of that, I actually really love this dress. This skirt with this top, oh my gosh, I low-key feel like this one stole the show. Absolutely loved how this skirt fit, hugged my waist, made my waist look so small and cinched. The slit is at the perfect place to make your hips look really great and not too tight around the hips, and then just floats away from the body. The perfect skirt. I absolutely love the way this skirt fits. And now that I'm looking, I see that the skirt has darts, and that makes perfect sense because that's why it fits so great. Now this top, so cute. Love how this top looked. Wasn't sure if this top was like giving cheap. So I was definitely concerned when I pulled it out the package. I was like, ooh, is this top giving cheap vibes? Like, we don't want to look cheap, we want to look expensive. But this top is definitely super cute. I'm not super crazy about the zipper in the back, but I understand why it's there. Definitely makes it easier to get dressed, not having to pull this over your head. Next piece that I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of this fall is this beautiful silk dress. I was concerned because a lot of times silk looks cheap when the hemline is not well done, but the hemline on this is really well done. It doesn't read cheap at all. Like, I feel like anything that's silk that has a janky looking hemline is a no for me, and I will not wear it because it looks cheap. But this is not giving cheap at all. I love the way they did the ruching on the side. The skirt just hugs. I love anything that hugs the body and floats away at the same time. Like, if you're hugging my curves right and like hugging where I want to be slim and floating where I want to look like I have some curve, I'm here for anything that does that. It has adjustable straps in the back, and the only thing I will say, I actually had to have my child help me. My daughter helped me to zip this bad boy up because there is a lot of fabric here where you're trying to zip this, where all the ruching is. It's a struggle. You're gonna need to like hold the bottom and have someone zip it up for you. So yeah, this is a dress where you need a partner to like zip you. Don't be single trying to get in this dress, sis. You're gonna have to like knock on the neighbor's door or something. And last but not least, this little two-piece set. I actually wore this to one of my birthday dinners. I had so many birthday dinners and so many birthday celebrations. I was really feeling the love, you guys. 2020, I didn't have a birthday, so 2021, I think I just like made up for it. And I was celebrating my birthday for probably 3 weeks. So anyway, in Miami, I went to a birthday dinner, and it was a lovely dinner. And I wore this, and I had my braids in, and I was just definitely giving like rich auntie vibes in this outfit. I absolutely loved it. It's a two-piece. Oh, oops. This is the top. I thought this was kind of like weird. I don't think this band was necessary, but I don't know. I guess it's just a part of the styling. And the top does have adjustable straps, so you can adjust that. And the bottom is just ruched everywhere. I love dresses like skirts like this that are ruched everywhere because they definitely hug and look cute. They don't show any like cellulite or anything like weird. They just literally conceal every like defect and make you look amazing. So that is the haul. Thank you guys for everyone that made it to the end. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about this hair, I do have a video out on that. The earrings that I'm rocking are from Saks off Fifth, and they were only $6.99 at the Saks here in Washington, D.C. This robe is actually new. This is from Savage X Fenty. This is the new robe that she came out with. It has a really cute lace detail in the back if you want to check that out. If you are a VIP member for Savage X Fenty, you can get this for a discount if it's still in stock. I did get medium large. I tend to always spring for their robes when they have them. It's not often that she makes robes, but when she does it to perfection, and I always buy it. So check that out. I will be doing a makeup tutorial. I know everyone's kind of been asking what my new makeup routine is, and it's so simple, you guys. I have literally cut my makeup routine in half. I can do my entire face in 30 minutes now, which used to be unheard of for me. But yeah, I feel like I'm just going simple, and it's a vibe. It's a whole entire vibe, and the face is giving. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a huge thumbs up. That would really help me out. Check below for all the links, and a coupon code will be included as well, so you can save you some money on your next SHEin purchase. Let me know if you've ever ordered from SHEin. I know some people are so skeptical, but I've never had a bad experience, either when they're sending me sponsored pieces or when I'm purchasing for myself or even my child. My orders have always come early before, you know, the allotted time that they said, and it's always worked out well for me. Let me know you guys' experiences. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a clothing haul lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.